Hello students of class 6. Today in this video we will study about keywords of unit 7, getting to know plants. Our first keyword is climbers. Plants with weak and thin stems that take support from another trees or tall objects and they climb up and grow vertically, they are called climbers. Some examples of climbers are money plant, grapevine, pea plant, etc. Second keyword is conduct. The process through which water and minerals are carried to different parts of plant. This process is called conduction. Our third keyword is creepers. Creepers have a weak stem and cannot stand upright. Because of this, they spread or creep on the ground. Therefore, their name is given creeper. For example, strawberry, muskmelon and watermelon are some example of creepers. Our fourth keyword is fibrous root. Fibrous roots are formed by thin thread-like similar structures. These roots do not have a main root. Some plants that have fibrous roots are grass, onion, wheat, etc. Our fifth keyword is herbs. Herbs are small plants with tender stems. They usually have few branches and contain a lot of nutritional benefits. Herbs such as tomato, ginger, radish and wheat are used frequently in our day-to-day lives. Sixth keyword is lamina. The broad and the flat part of the leaf that contains the chloroplast is called lamina. As you can see in the figure, this flat part is called the lamina. Our next keyword is lateral roots. The smaller parts of the taproot that branch out from the main root, they are called the lateral roots. They anchor the plant to the soil and help in water and nutrient intake. Our next keyword is midrib. Midrib is the primary vein of the leaf. As you can see in the figure, it is a thick line running along the lamina of the leaf. Our next keyword is ovule. Small bead-like structures found inside the ovary, they are called the ovules. They are responsible for the reproduction in plants. Our 10th keyword is parallel venation. When the veins on the lamina of a leaf are arranged parallel to each other, as you can see in the figure, veins are arranged in a parallel manner. It is called the parallel venation. It can be observed in the banana leaves. Our next keyword is petal. The colorful leafy parts surrounding the reproductive part of the plant are called petals. For example, petal of the rose flower come in various colors like red, yellow and pink. Our next keyword is petiole. The part of a leaf through which it is connected to a stem. So this part of the leaf through which it is connected to the stem, that part is called petiole. Our next keyword is photosynthesis. The process by which plants produce the food with the help of four things, which are they? Sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. This process is called the photosynthesis. They release the oxygen as a byproduct after this action. Our next keyword is pistil. Pistil is a female reproductive part of flower. As you can see in this figure, the female reproductive part is called pistil. It is an innermost part of the flower and it comprises of stigma, style and ovary. Our next keyword is reticulate venation. The net-like vein pattern that is found in some leaves, that is called the reticulate venation. For example, you can see that this is a net-like vein pattern that is found in some leaves. Leaves of maple tree, they are having the reticulate venation. Our next keyword is sepal. Small leaf-like structures that protect the flower in a bud and support the petals, they are known as sepals. This green part, they are green in color and they protect the flower when it is in the bud stage. They are called as sepals. Our next keyword is shrubs. Medium sized plant, they are medium, they are not very large or very small, they are medium in size with a hard but they have the flexible stem. They are called shrubs. Shrubs develop branches near the base of a stem. Some common shrubs are roses, tulsi, lemon, etc. Our next keyword is stamen. Stamen produce pollens in flowers. They consist of anther and filament. The anther contains the pollen grains and different flowers, they have the different kind of stamen. Our next keyword is taproot. In taproot system, the main root is branched into various latent roots. As you can see, there is a main root and from that various roots are coming out. For example, in mango tree, carrots, etc. they are having the taproot. Our next keyword is transpiration. Plants release water from the leaves in the form of vapor by the process called transpiration. So excess amount of water that is released from the plants, from their leaves, that is called the transpiration. That process is called the transpiration. Our next keyword is trees. Plants that have very tall, they are very tall in size and they have a hard and thick stem with branches in the upper parts of the stem. They are called the trees. For example, mango tree, guava tree, etc. Our next keyword is veins. The lines on leaves that are responsible for transporting water and minerals to the leaves, they are known as veins. There are two types of venations, that is reticulate and the parallel venation. So these are the lines. If you observe the leaf, you can see these line-like structures and they are responsible for transporting the water and minerals to the leaves. So these are called the veins. So here there are 22 keywords in this chapter. So the keywords are completed. So thank you children for paying the attention. Hope you have understood the keywords of unit 7, that is getting to know plants. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you again.